How to get virtual card from Capital One. One way to get virtual card from Capital One is from your Capital One assistant. You can find on Capital One website. First, you have to log in. Next, you should click on the smile icon and type virtual credit card. The Shop Safely link will lead you to page where you have to install Google Chrome extension. Then you check out something at an online store, should pop up. Then you have to add a credit or debit card. Will suggest you to create a virtual card. You have to agree and confirm authorization. Then you have to verify your original credit card and turn on Express Checkout and click Get Virtual Card. Will create a virtual credit card that is connected to your original credit card. Now you have a virtual credit card number that you can drag and drop to the card number field. After purchase is made, you have to delete the virtual credit card number so that it can't be used again. Thanks for watching.